At the birth of our solar system, rocks, due to their mutual gravity, attracted each other, which formed bigger and bigger rocks. If they got big enough, by collecting more material, they cleared the orbit and formed what we now call as planets. Otherwise, these rocks would wander around in our solar system as protoplanets or asteroids or comets. Here are a few images of asteroids or comets in our solar system. And you can clearly see that they are of irregular shape. They are not spherical at all. This is because they don't have enough mass for their gravity to shape them into a sphere. In such an object, the material strength counteracts the body's gravity, hence it maintains its irregular shape. But as more and more matter gets collected in such an object, they start to get attracted towards the center of mass of that object. Now, if the object has enough mass, gravity will start to mold the object into a sphere by breaking down the rocks. Astronomers have found a limit. If the radius of the rock is 200 to 300 kilometers wide, then the object's gravity will take over and try to form a sphere. You can clearly see this happening in our solar system's biggest asteroid, that's Ceres. And other asteroids that are between this radius do not have a spherical shape but have a potato-like shape that's irregular, hence is called the potato radius. So why a sphere, you might ask? Gravity as a force is symmetric in nature. If the object is made up of similar material, gravity will attract each point that's equidistant from the center equally. If we see this symmetry, there's only one shape that is possible for the object to take, and that's a sphere. You can clearly see in nature how gravity keeps the planets spherical. Here on Earth, gravity will not allow mountains to grow higher than 10 kilometers. But on Mars or on asteroid like Vesta, there are taller and bigger mountains than here on Earth because their gravity is lower and hence more irregularity on the surface. This is why Earth and other objects are spherical in shape. But these astronomical objects are not actually perfectly spherical because they spin on their axes. And this axial spin causes outward force on the surface near the equator, which causes a bulge on the equator. You can clearly see this bulge on planets and stars that spin very fast on their axes, like Jupiter and Saturn. Here on Earth, due to the equatorial bulge, there is a difference in the distance between the equator and the center and the pole. Yes, this is the amazing reason why all planets and our Earth is spherical and not flat. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video, share the video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for all the future videos. Hit the bell icon. And as always, stay curious, stay awesome.